Hi everyone, I am Vanessa Kalumpang and welcome to my vlog where we explore the spirit of Philippine literature through the lens of Diaz College, my second home. Diaz College, a name that echoes not just education but resilience, passion, and a deep love for country. Founded in 1947 by Dr. Godofredo F. Diaz, this institution stood as a response to the post-war need for rebuilding our nation through education. Just like in the works of our great writers like Dr. Jose Rizal, who believed in the power of the youth and education, Diaz College was born from that same hope. Diaz College started small but with a big heart, offering secondary education at a time when our country was healing from the war. Over the years, it grew, offering collegiate programs that nurtured generations of professionals, educators, and leaders. One of the recurring themes in Philippine literature is pagkakakilanlan identity. Here in Diaz, I've learned that identity is not just found in books, but in the way our community supports one another, in the traditions we carry, and in how we speak our truths, just like the heroes in our literary canon. Every student here has a story, and just like the short stories, poems, and essays we've read in our literature classes, each story is filled with struggle, growth, and triumph. Literature, like education, teaches how to listen to understand, and that's what Diaz College instills in us every day. As a student of Diaz College, I carry with me not just knowledge, but a deep appreciation for our culture and heritage. It reminds me of Carlos P. Romulo's words in I Am a Filipino, where he speaks of a nation's soul, and truly Diaz College is part of the soul of our community here in Negros Oriental. This is my story, this is Diaz College, and this is Philippine literature, alive, breathing, and unfolding every single day. Thank you very much, and long live Philippine literature.